Assalamualaikum everyone, good afternoon. Allow me us to presenting this data about consumption of fast food by Australian teenagers. Okay, the next, the line graph compares the fast food consumption of teenagers in Australia between 1975 and 200, a period of 25 years. Overall, the consumption of fish and chips declined over the period, where the amount of pizza and hamburgers that were eaten increased.
Okay, in 1975, the most popular fast food among Australian teenagers was fish and chips. They eaten 100 times a year. This figure was much bigger than pizza and hamburger, which were consumed approximately 5 times a year. However, apart from a brief rise again from 1980 to 1985, the consumption of fish and chips gradually declined over the 25-year time scale to finish at just under 14 times a year. Thanks. Next.
It seems that in sharp contrast to these teenagers and the older to fast food at much higher levels, pizza consumption increased gradually until it overtook the consumption of fish and chips in 1099. It then levelized from 1995 to 2000. The biggest rise was seen in hamburger as the occasion they were eaten increased sharply throughout the 1007 and 1080, exceeding that of fish and chips in 1085. It finished at the same level that fish and chips began with consumption at 100 times a year. Okay, maybe enough for us. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.